Hello guys, and welcome back to my video. So in this video we are going to take a look at this emulator. So as we take a look at this emulator, we can see that this container is protruding to the top of the device, right? It's protruding to the notification panel, right? But if you are developing applications, you don't want your layout to protrude to the notification panel. So how do we avoid that? So to simply avoid this, one way of doing it, just simply wrap this center widget. Just simply wrap this center widget with the SafeArea widget. So let's just wrap it with the SafeArea widget. So after we wrap it with the SafeArea widget, after we reload our application, you will see that our container no longer protrudes to the notification panel. So this is like one of my shortest videos. If you found this video useful, make sure you click the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell on so that you do not miss any of my videos.